Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let me do the step-by-step tutorial on how to use copy trading in BingX platform. So let's stay tuned. So in today's episode, before I continue about how to use the copy trading, especially for beginners, for those who haven't have an account yet in BingX, use my referral link below. I'll put down at the description below so you guys can click on it and register an account. So again, if you haven't registered an account, please register and do the KYC and you will get $10 free from just using my referral link. Not just that, I will actually pick, in 1 week time, I will actually pick the random winner to get $100 if you register using my referral link. So if you haven't registered yet, or if you don't know how, just watch back my previous video. I actually talk about some of the rewards that you can win using my referral link using BingX account or using BingX platform. Okay, so once you have registered a BingX account, this is what it's going to be look like using website. You can also use the app. I actually talked about it before on the previous video as well, so you can watch that as well. So let's get back to here, copy trading. As you know, BingX is popular in copy trading. And again, copy trading is meant for people that are quite busy, or people who don't have time to trade, or beginners like me who don't know how to trade in cryptocurrency platform. So sometimes you might have a difficult looking for the support line, the resistance line. You don't know where's the right time for you to buy, where's the right time for you to sell, especially in perpetual swap, because you are using leverage to trade. So in copy trading in BingX is quite simple. For example, if you can see here, there is a copy trading function here. You click on the way here and you're able to see copy some global elite trader. Simple as that. So in order for you to copy, before even you have the chance to copy, you need to deposit USDT into the account. If you don't know, again, I actually done a video about that, about withdrawal and deposit in BingX. If you don't have yet or you don't know, please watch back my previous video again. So I assume that you already know how to withdraw or how to deposit USDT or how to buy USDT by just clicking this buy keep crypto. So once you have purchased USDT, for example, or you have USDT in your account, simple, just click on copy trading and you will be on this page. So you can see there are a number of traders here, futures traders or spot grid traders. So for example, right now I'm looking at futures traders and you can see there are numbers of traders that you can copy. So there are trending traders, conservative traders, rising star traders, or traders, so on and so forth. So for example, looking at this providing 200% ROI, and there are almost 3,000% copying the trade. For example, if I want to be want to copy this Luna, it has about 7,000 over copiers, and ROI is 90%, and the cumulative PNL is about 6,000 over. I can actually click on it to know more details about it. You can see how much the earnings, what are the PNLs, what are the performance, what are the risk performance, everything. And let's say if I decide to use or follow this person, I can just click copy. And you can see I can copy in USDT because I have already USDT in this account. And what are the margins that I want to copy? For example, I have about $50 right now in this account. So let's say if I put $10 or probably $20, then you can see that when a trader opens a trade, the estimated principal amount of your orders will be $20. Make sense? Subsidy voucher, if you have any voucher, but right now I don't have any vouchers. stop loss and take profit recommended depends on if you want it to put it. It's optional. If you don't want, then you can have to follow his take profit and stop loss. So let's say if I keep this as normal, so I can follow his take profit and losses, and you can see I can do anything in here where the risk control, cumulative loss protections, max copy amount, daily copy amount, so on and so forth. And once I have input everything, if I need it, then I just click copy now. So you can see followed and viewed details. So once I have copied, and you can see the margins that I'm copying will be $20, and you were able to see whenever he opened a position, you will be opening as well. And you can see all the positions that are opening and all the trade history that being opened previously. And you can see the traders have not been open for 3 days, so you have to wait. All right. So if you want to copy more, you can always copy more. For example, I want to copy this. Maybe I'll put here about $10. Oops, how do I click $10? $10. Oops. $10. Click copy now. And that's it. Simple as that. You just have to look into their performance. And if you think that performance that is going to work for you, then just click copy. Simple as that. So once you have copied, right, and it will actually shows you if they open a position, it will notify through your apps, meaning that they already opened the positions. You can also open by fixed margin or copy by position. So you can simple as you can see. Simple as that. And if I click standard perpetual swap, I can click $10. And you can see copy the position immediately and stuff like that. And I click, please tick the box below and click copy now. Easy. So once you have copied everything and you want to see your positions, you can click my trade and you can see some of the things that are being copied today and stuff like that. Okay, so these are the ways that you can use as a beginner, I mentioned, and it kind of makes sense for you to use it if you don't have time, and as long as you find that this trader works for you and you think that this trader is good, why not? Okay, so if you like this episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. I hope this tutorial are very helpful, especially earning profit a little bit by copying other people's trades. Whatever he do, he buy, you buy. Whatever he sell, you sell. Depends on the margin itself. Maybe his margin is big, but the margin is small, but it's good enough, right? Because he helped you to put the stop loss, he helped you to put the take profit, so you don't need to be worrying so much on that. Okay, so if you like my episode today, make sure to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.